Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Gareth. If you love cruise tips, honest reviews and the occasional cocktail in hand, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down one of the most premium and, let's be honest, one of the most expensive add-on perks Royal Caribbean is offering right now. It's called the Royal Genie Package. Is it just luxury fluff or actually worth the £220 a day they're charging?
Oh my god.
That's right, £220 a day. Let's break it all down. Some seasoned Royal Caribbean cruisers might be thinking, isn't the Royal Genie something that only comes with the fancy suites? Well, yes and no. Traditionally, the Royal Genie was the name of the personal concierge, basically a VIP fixer, which would be assigned to guests in the Star Class suites, which can normally cost around $10,000 or more per week. But now, Royal Caribbean is trialling a standalone version of the Royal Genie experience, available to non-suite guests through the app. So this is something you can add to your cruise package, just like the Key if you've heard of that, but it's a much bigger commitment. So, let's talk perks. Here's everything that comes with the Royal Genie package when you buy it as an add-on, and it's a long old list. Your personal Royal Genie. A real person on board whose whole job is to make your cruise smoother. They handle the specialty dining reservations, book you into shows, arrange surprises, and take care of the little details so you don't have to. Unlimited drinks. Everyone 18 plus in Europe, or if you're over 21 in the US, gets a deluxe beverage package. All of your cocktails, beer, wine, soda, it's all included up to the value of $14. If you buy a drink that's over $14, you just pay the difference. The unlimited dining package. Now, careful with this one. This gives you access to a fair few a la carte restaurants that would normally be an extra charge on top. However, it doesn't include all of them. For example, restaurants like the Chef's Table or the Empire Supper Club that you might find on the Icon class ships. They will incur an extra charge, so make sure you check out the T's and C's before you go ahead with this. Also included is Voom Internet, high-speed Wi-Fi for one device per guest, ideal for streaming, sharing, or working remotely if you have to. Then moving on to the suite style extras, including access to the suite lounge, a stocked minibar in your room, non-alcoholic may I add, still and sparkling water delivery, premium bath products, complimentary Sugar Beach ice cream, movies on demand in your stateroom, and also room service with no extra charge. I should hope so as well. Finally, we have VIP access, featuring reserved seating at shows, priority times for flow rider, rock climbing and ice skating, and also luggage handling. It's a full-on premium experience, and naturally the price is going to reflect that. You're looking at around £220 per adult per day, so a 7-night cruise for 2 adults. In the UK it's going to cost around £3,100 for the week, and over in the US it'd be around $4,200 for the package. Wow. And you know what? In most cases, this package is going to cost more than the cruise itself. Now, if you've cruised with Royal Caribbean before, you might be thinking, wait a second, how is this different from the Key program? Well, for starters, the Key is much cheaper. It's an add-on that costs around £25 to £40 per person per day. Or, if you're in the US, that's $35 to $55 per person per day. Now, of course, reflective of the pricing, the perks that you get with the Key program are much different to those that you get with the Genie program, and they include priority check-in and boarding, carry-on luggage drop-off service, Voom Internet, one device per person, reserved seating at shows, embarkation day chops grill lunch, disembarkation day a la carte breakfast, priority departure at tender ports, that's a big one, 20% off specialty dining when booked on day 1, and finally 25% off select sports activities throughout the sailing. So, in essence, the Key is more about efficiency, quicker boarding, shorter lines, and a few nice touches. The real question is, I guess, is it worth it for the price? I think honestly it depends. If you were looking at buying the deluxe beverage package as well as the Voom Wi-Fi and maybe eat at some specialty dining restaurants, the value can start to make sense, especially when you throw in the concierge level service and those suite style extras. But let's be honest, for most people, this is a splurge. You're paying luxury suite money to get a premium service without the suite itself. If that's your thing, go for it, but if you're chasing value or if you're on a budget, the key might hit that sweet spot at a fraction of the cost. So, what do you guys think? Would you pay £220 a day for the Genie package, or do you think it's just a load of marketing fluff? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear your take on it. Also, if you found this video helpful, please do smash that like button, it really helps us out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, so the next time we release new cruise content, YouTube will let you know. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, smooth sailings and strong mojitos.